Hello, my name is Paul Koo. Conserve Energy, we're also known as Metro Group. I came prepared with a fancy presentation, which, as Art described, we could not fit it in. So I'll let you open your minds and let you imagine how great this is. All right. I know. Yeah. So our company, Conserve Energy, it has been a trade ally with Seattle City Light for around 5 years, and we have experienced the changes and the goods and bads of Seattle City Light, and at the same time, we're as a trade ally, we try to work with the resources and to make best out of the program, especially for the power users, the ultimate end user of the incentives. So. Today I'm supposed to talk about linear LED, and the case study that I picked is this company named Synesso. It is a custom espresso machine manufacturer in Seattle. When I engaged in this project, the customer has already upgraded some of the office lighting with LED devices, but unfortunately the contractor did not let them aware of the rebate programs available, either new construction or even retrofit. So when I explained about the Seattle City Light, the rebate program, they were obviously very happy, and any discount they're very welcome to consider. The scope we dealt with is approximately 9,000 square foot warehouse and office. The usage was production and assembly. They are actually hands-on assembler of these espresso machine that looks like Lamborghini, Ferrari engines. Just never seen anything like that before. And because of the time that they needed the upgrade to prepare for a trade show, and they wanted to invite their customers and show around their facility. So we were dealing with a very limited timeline, and with the help of Seattle City Light representative Wayne Knippel, we were able to follow the process and set in place and even specify the products that's adequate for this project. So one of the components on selecting these fixtures and devices, LEDs, really the help really lies in being able to work with Seattle City Light, the Trade Ally Network, and very important to keep in touch with your distributors, your favorite distributors, and their manufacturers. So this facility we chose, so existing, we're talking industrial fixtures, T12s and T8s mixture at different colors. The annual hours given is merely around 3,000 hours. The problems there, because these fixtures, rows of fixtures were perpendicular to the shelving, obviously it missed many spots, leaving with dark corners and the proper light coverage, especially over the production areas. So we were facing the fixture layout, the outdated look, and uneven lighting. We have chose the T8 LED as a quick exchange method using the 4-lamp, the high bay fixture that's also designed to adopt the T8 linear LED self-integrated driver sticks, I should say. And we chose to use the frosted version of it with 5000K color. So we basically have redesigned the outlet, redesigned the layout, and we have successfully position all the fixtures using a new fixture and some existing fixture to give them a corner-to-corner coverage. We started with 88 fixtures. We ended up with 57. We have decommissioned, removed 31 fixtures, and it actually, their savings were over 22,000 kilowatt hours the first year, and the customer rebate was $57.60. The payback actually was like 4 years, but at this time, the customer has already paid thousands out of their pocket without an incentive to upgrade some of the office lighting. So they're very happy to have us find the solution, proper solution for that. So, like I said, I brought with the before picture. This is where you say, right? And the after picture. And this is where you say, ooh. All right, okay. So the biggest difference that it made, we were able to eliminate the dark spots by strategically positioning and also interviewing what the customer is, what their goal is as far as the upgrading the lighting. And also the product selection, it could be a hit and miss. Dealing with the new LED devices is not always easy, or it doesn't always work out the way you want to design. This is exactly the reason why I say work closely with your distributors, the manufacturers, and they're willing to help, sometimes even put up a sample just to make sure that it works out. And yes, we have run into many projects that we installed and the customer said no. So instead of running into obstacles beyond you invest that much time and material into, I would definitely work together with the resources that's available to you. So one of my favorite supplier who advertisement, ESCO Supplies down in Kent, Washington, and they're the specialty LED supplier, which they usually have the specialty and T8 LEDs on hand in thousands of quantities. So we were able to utilize their services. And also there's a local manufacturer who supplies these fixtures, and they are also help when you need to specify some products. So I have a couple other pictures and opportunities, such as like gas stations and groceries, but now without the slide, I cannot. Exactly. So you need to look for me after this is done. So, lastly, I say, let's be friends. Why I say this? Being involved in this program for many years, you see contractors come and go, especially now with the market transformation, the trend and the LEDs and the traditional way just does not work out anymore. I hope that we can all reach out within even trade allies. As much as we rely on the Seattle City Light and Trade Ally Network, Northwest Trade Ally Network, the allies, I believe, should connect and reach out. I'm sure we can learn more things, better things, and be able to work together to deliver savings to Seattle City Light, and in turn, we can effectively complete the projects and program. And you've seen their shortfall, so you wouldn't object to that, right? Okay. So that's all I have for you. Thank you.